could take stuff home.
Right.
Open it, Bubba. It's from Santa. Who's this from?
Oh, you guys must have been
Yeah,
really
pop-
good this year. Look at all the goodies. Oh yeah, I want to.
We're not exactly camera ready. We just woke up and came over here.
That's good.
Oh, look at these. Yeah.
I told you I got
Some extra little goodies in there.
Alright, so you got more stuff. What is it?
Oh,
Some of the stuff we
I was
got
stealing
from Matt,
Bob's
you can
presents.
use
Oh,
too.
that went with the wrong
Oh,
bag.
bud.
Consider us property by property.
That's yours.
I'm just kidding.
Or you can direct
What do you got?
Yeah.
direct its use.
Spanish bingo. There you go.
Bingo.
Oh wow. Matt made that
I
for
lo- I
us
used to
when
love
he
that
was like
t-shirt.
7. Was that 3rd grade?
Drop, open. Open more. Open
Now
more
this
presents.
was a funny story. Okay.
We'll
When
get it out in a
Violet,
little
oh,
bit.
this was when Matt
Here,
was a
open.
baby. Someone gave that to us. So I thought we
From Robin
you
Monty.
guys do have a treat.
Not this
God,
Oh, yeah.
you are
Okay,
getting
now get the other
all
one. There's one
trucks,
more.
Bubba. Look at
Now
that,
when
Bubba.
Violet was helping me decorate the tree,
Socks!
this was what the
Yay!
band parents
Fluffy
made an ornament for
Big
each
girl socks.
kid in the band. Isn't that cute?
Those are all yours right there,
1994. And Violet was helping me put these on the tree.
That's for you and
Oh, Sharon.
your brother.
Like this, and I said, oh, well this must be Christine.
Look.
It says naughty or nice. Anyway, I just thought you guys would like a few little ornaments for your
I
tree.
wish I saw this t-shirt.
Now was that Mrs.
You got it.
Is
Who's that one
your
from?
third grade teacher?
When I was 9, I would have been,
Violet and Nicholas
yeah,
from Nana and Papa.
first, first, sixth.
Next from
I
me.
think I was 4th grade.
Oh, who was your first grade teacher? Mrs. O'Sullivan?
Oh, what? Who's that?
Miss Shingler.
Very Merry Christmas.
Happy
Careful.
Halloween.
Yours.
Careful.
It's a book about
Well, what makes you think that's when you were 9?
This is 1989. I
Oh.
was born in 1980.
Let me see. A very, very.
Bubba, what'd you open?
Oh,
Hey.
yes, a very.
Look at you
very
don't even care about your
Christmas.
socks, huh? It's all about the truck.
Ooh, socks.
Socks!
Whose is that?
Look at.
This is
Open, Violet.
Okay,
Look at this is from Robin Motti.
Javelina, a very,
on the back
very.
it says Happy Halloween.
I think she's a local artist. That's cool. I mean, author.
What do you got? What do you got? More socks? Yeah. What else you got?
I only opened one.
Oh, good, you put these in. Let me see your baby. What a backpack. How darling is
Another
that?
backpack,
Who's
yay.
that from?
Robin Motti.
Oh.
Lovely,